Do you want to know how you can buy your first rental property with no credit, no banks, and no money out of your pocket? Watch this video to find out. I know that sounds impossible, but it is not, because I have done it several times myself. And I'm going to go over the 3 things that you'll need to know to get your first property this way. The first one is that you need to find your property. And the way that you can do this is simply by going on Zillow or Redfin or Realtor.com. You would want to go and find a property that is for sale by owner, or as we like to call it, FSBO, and call those sellers. You can also go and look for on-market listings that have been listed for 100 days or more and start calling the agents on those listings. This is a great way to find a motivated seller who wants to sell their property. The second thing is, once you've gotten those sellers interested in selling and on the phone, you want to pitch creative